You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to this course on Microsoft Exchange Server 2019 JumpStart Kit. My name is Anand Kilambi and I'll be the instructor for this course. Speaking a little bit about myself, I have a background in electrical engineering and cybersecurity, and I've been working as an instructor at NetSoft College of Technology for the past 3 years. This course is being offered through NetSoft IT Academy, an online learning platform designed to provide individuals such as yourself with content to help improve your IT skills. NetSoft IT Academy provides courses on a wide variety of fields, including, but not limited to, system administration, network administration, cybersecurity, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence, just to name a few. Now, let's quickly talk about the objectives of this course. There is only one objective for this course, and that is to learn and understand what Exchange Server 2019 is, what are the options under it, what are its capabilities, and what are its features. That's it. We have a very simple objective here. So keep that in mind, and I'll see you in the next slide. So now let's talk about the prerequisites of this course. The prerequisites of this course are very simple. You need to have good fundamentals of Microsoft Active Directory. You need to have basic knowledge of networking concepts and how an internal network and everything works. And lastly, you need to have virtualization knowledge. That is, you should be able to spool up some virtual machines either on the cloud or on premises, depending on the platform and depending on where you're creating your testing environment. So now, if you look at the next slide, you will see that we have 6 modules under this course. So out of these 6 modules, we are going to be looking at what Exchange Server is, what is the mailbox role under Exchange Server, what is the edge transport role under mailbox server or under Exchange Server, and also how to manage it using both web-based GUI client and CLI client. That is on premises, that is locally installed. Now, all of these things will be covered in the duration of these next 6 modules. So please go make sure that you go through every module and understand everything and make notes for yourself. Thank you.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.